Okay, why didn't you buy our product? Okay, who wants to do this one? They left, they didn't buy it. Yes, sir, come on up. They didn't buy it, they're leaving, or you're calling them back. Okay, what is the product he sells? What is the product you sell, sir?
I don't have a product, but I'd like to practice selling Cardone University.
No, well, you're on card. Oh, you're licensing?
I'm considering that. I'd like to practice that.
Okay. You want to practice what?
Selling Cardone University product.
Okay. I didn't buy it. I called your company and didn't buy it. Come over here a little more.
Why didn't you buy a product?
Excuse me?
Why didn't you buy our product?
I don't think it's going to work.
Say it again, please.
I don't think it will work.
Okay, I'm with you. I also know people who.
Let me tell you, when you agree with somebody, dude, it hooks people. Like people are like as soon as he says, "I agree with you," I was like, "Huh?"
Yeah, I totally understand. And actually, I have lots of customers who have the same question, and they also had the same doubts. So, and what we did, we actually spent a little bit of time, and I showed them how exactly.
No, you see what he's doing right now? He's talking too much. Okay. Why didn't you buy our product? You need to get me to talk.
Okay.
You don't need to talk.
Okay.
You're trying to close this deal now. Why didn't you buy the product? You're trying to get this guy back in, okay? Go ahead again.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm with you. Maybe there's some specific concerns you have?
Yeah. Look, man, I just don't think it's going to work because I got people, I just don't think they're going to use it.
Okay. Have you maybe seen similar products in the past that worked?
Oh yeah. We got the software program, the CRM. They didn't use it. We got this. I put a big swimming pool in the place, and everybody was excited about it for a week, and then nobody was swimming a month later.
Totally get it.
My kids, I buy stuff for my kids every day. I get a couple bikes for them. The next thing you do, they throw it down. They don't care about anything.
I understood. Coming back to the product, though, do you? Do you recall maybe some products that did work, maybe some part of the product, some part of the functionality that was helpful?
I got this Kangen machine at the house, man. We use it every day, man. It's $5,000. I use that every day. I mean.
Okay. What about the training product for your sales staff? How do you train your staff?
Oh, we don't train them right now.
Okay. Would you see the value trying something that would work, and if it was that?
I'm telling you, they're not going to do it. That's why I didn't. You called me. You asked me why we didn't buy it. It's because I don't think these people are going to use it.
Okay.
If that happens to you, you will not make a sale. Everybody agree? This is what happens every day, okay? Because we don't role play these situations. So I'm going to reverse it. You stand right over here, sir. Okay, sure. Now I'm going to do. Hey, let me ask you a question. Why didn't you buy Cardone U?
Well, because I don't think it's going to work.
It's not.
Yeah.
Number one, it won't work because you don't have it. Nobody can use it because you don't have it.
Right.
You agree with that?
Yeah.
Number two, it won't work because if you won't insist on them using it. Anything that you don't insist on, they won't use. Okay. Tell me about something else that you have at your company that they don't use.
Well,
CRM?
No, they don't use CRM.
Nobody uses a CRM. You got to find that place where everybody's like, yeah, well, they don't use it. The telephone? Do they use the telephone?
No, they don't use telephone.
How about the computers? Do they use a computer?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. How about the toilets? Do they use the toilets?
Yeah.
Do they use the cafeteria?
They do.
Do they use your electricity?
Yeah, they do.
Do they use your parking spots?
Yes.
Good. So we got to make it really easy for them to use Cardone U. And that's my job.
Oh, you're selling now. You're not qualifying, right?
No, I'm selling. Okay. Hey, would you give me 5 minutes? Could I come back and spend 5 minutes with you showing you how I guarantee your people will use this like they do the parking spots, the computers, the electricity, and the toilets? Would you give me 5 minutes?
What if it doesn't work?
That's on me.
Okay.
Right now, they can't use it.
Right.
You agree with that?
Yes.
Because they don't have it.
Right.
Give me 5 minutes this afternoon.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, give them a big hand.